right into this video. I do have my favorite jewelry right here, or my most used, that I can just pop on while I'm sitting at my vanity. And I had this jewelry holder for a while now. I do remember getting it from Hobby Lobby, I believe. And right beside it is where I choose to store my earrings. And you guys, this is actually like a shot glass holder, I think it was, and I just used it to put like my rings and earrings in it and just organize them by silver and gold. And then right beside it, I do have these makeup remover pads. They are bamboo and they're washable. I actually got this as a Christmas gift. This past Christmas, actually, it was part of my gift. So I do have those right there so I won't forget to try them. I also have my mirror. You all have probably seen this so many times. I had it for a while and I'm sure it was in my last apartment tour. I also have this trash container. And this is where I put my dirty makeup brushes at. I have my clean makeup brushes in one of the drawers, but these are the ones that needs to be cleaned. And I do have my most used makeup up here as well. I haven't used these two in a while because I have been enjoying the Fenty, but I do have this makeup remover that I use a lot. Some CC cream or BB cream. Is it CC or BB cream? CC cream, sorry. And this is some foundation as well that I use. And I pretty much just have my most used lip glosses and lipsticks up here, and my favorite makeup palette of all time, which I don't wear a bunch of makeup, but when I do, I love the Urban Decay Naked palette. And this is like the bronze. I know it has like different brown colors in here, but I can't get it out. So this is my favorite one, and yep, it comes with this makeup brush as well. But if you all cannot tell by like my pictures and stuff on Instagram, these are my favorite colors to wear when I wear makeup. I am getting more involved in doing a few colors, but that's my all-time fave. And I still have this palette as well. I had this for a long time. And it's pretty much just a contour palette. I'm sure everybody has seen this by now. And this one. It's not the best makeup palette, but you can really play with colors on this. Right over here, slide out the chair. This desk actually comes with two drawers, and right here on the first one I just have my clean makeup brushes. This is actually a pad that you can put down to like put your makeup brushes on or whatever when you finish them. And these are some dirty beauty blenders that need to be cleaned as well. I just have some Q-tips to like line up the stuff, like especially eyebrows, to clean them up a little bit. Some tweezers also for the eyebrows, and also these scissors for the eyebrows. And these are some lashes that I haven't used yet. And then right next to it, this is like more makeup. I don't have that much makeup, but I have enough, and I probably could throw some of this stuff away. So I have all of my lip liners. These are pretty much facial stuff. This is a setting powder that I like to use, and also highlight that I like to use. I like to mix these two brown colors right there. More eyeshadow. This is a bronzer, and that's also a Milani palette that I used to use a lot. And this is my MAC Studio Finish, I believe, or Studio Fix. This is a facial setting powder as well. Yeah, hold on, if I can get it open. And this sponge is really dirty. I don't even use that, but you all can tell I have used this a lot. This is also a Milani powder foundation. I have my eyelash Enhancers. And this is a primer from Mary Kay. I do like Mary Kay for some products, but you guys, their foundations, they do not have a lot of brown colors. And yeah, so I stick to really the primer and the makeup remover from Mary Kay. And I have a friend that sells Mary Kay, which is why I do have some stuff like this. I just like to support people, but they do not have a lot of brown skin tones and darker skin tones in Mary Kay, and that is a critique that I have for them. These are like concealers that I like to use, some more primers, and this is, yeah, this pretty much is what I use to minimize my pores when they are looking really huge. And I'm trying to get it to focus, you guys. Let's put it down. I'm sure most of you have seen that before. And Carmex, I always like to moisturize my lips before I get started with even doing makeup. These are some Dollar Tree finds that I had a long time ago that are Milani Eyeshadows, and do have a pencil sharpener right here for all of these because we're not going to let any of that go to waste. And this is my Eyebrow Enhancer that I like to use by Anastasia Beverly Hills, if I'm pronouncing that right. But I had this for a pretty long time. It lasts pretty long. And moving along. So before I go to this over here, I do want to show you all what I have up under the desk. And pretty much this is my nail kit for pedicures and manicures. And this is also part of a Christmas gift I got. It's pretty much like a bunch of makeup bags that I could use for traveling. And this silver case right here actually goes with the big one back here. So this is really like a professional traveling makeup kit suitcase that my sister got me a long time ago, and you could use it for when you have photo shoots or big events where you actually need to bring a whole suitcase. And of course, you can't forget to have a trash can right there for trash that you may have while you're doing your makeup. So right over here is the fun stuff. I like having my sunshades and some of my fashion glasses sitting on top, just because when people walk by they could just see the little collection that I have. And I also have some of my pens up here, and some of them are my name tags. One of them is from like an old job, and the other one is from AHEC. And yeah, my two favorite ones are the blue one that says Bye Felicia, and also the one that says Bougie Black Girl. I absolutely love that. And it's so weird for me having this that says Beat UNC because I went to ECU, but your girl is now Tar Heel, so that is just so funny to me. Every time I walk by, I kind of laugh because I go to UNC now, but I used to go to ECU, which is totally crazy. And moving on down, I have some more makeup stuff. This was actually sent to me. I haven't had the opportunity to use it yet. And up under it, I have makeup bags and makeup cases that I could use on the go. Mirrors, like pocket mirrors or mirrors that you can throw in your purse. These are also some other products that were sent to me. And you all have to check out my video about how to get free items without even having a YouTube channel. And I'll link that video in the cards up here so that you all can see how to get those free products. I also have some more lip gloss and lipstick. And these are products that I don't use as often, but I didn't want to get rid of them yet. So that's why these are over here and not up there. I also have some more makeup bags. I used to keep all of my lip colors, lip glosses, and everything in here. And also this used to be like my main makeup bag, so I keep things in there. I have my makeup cloths to take makeup off, and also some more bags. And these are extra beauty blenders that I keep in here. And I also have 2 makeup brush cleaners. This cylinder case right here is actually a makeup brush holder, so you can put all of your makeup brushes in there. And I actually got this years ago when I placed the order at BH Cosmetics for some makeup brushes. The makeup brushes actually came in there, and it makes it perfect for traveling. Up underneath is where we transition to my hair stuff, because I do like to sit in this chair right here and use that mirror to do my hair. And yeah, I have my brushes, my combs. I also have my comb attachment to my blow dryer back there, but I have my shears and I try to keep them separate. I try to use these or craft scissors for like my fake hair, crochet hair, or things of that nature, but these are for my real hair. I also have crochet needles and other tools in here as well. I know I see the thread, but I also have a needle back here just in case I need to sew some hair in or just sew some braids down. I do have that as well. Of course, can't forget the hair picks for my natural girls. And drawer number 4 is where I have the necessities for hair. Oh my god, I cannot, well, I can't say I cannot, I prefer not to do my hair without any clips. I love having clips to section off my hair, and I do have this acrylic organizer to organize my hairpins and hair ties, and also rubber bands. And as you all can see at the back, those are the bands that I use to do my high puffs. I haven't been doing too many high puffs because honestly, you guys, they hurt when your hair is shorter, and oh my god. Yeah, and these are just some scrunchies that I use, especially when I have my crochet hairstyles, and they look super cute when I wear them with these scrunchies with the crochet hair. And these are also some hair accessories. And finally, this is where I house all of my slaps. So in this drawer, I pretty much have like all of my scarves. I have like all my bonnets in here. It's like a whole bonnet collection, and scarves that I use to tie down my edges. These are pretty much like hair bands or sweatbands that you could wrap around the perimeter of your hair. And these are like the fashionable accessories that you could add to your hair, and headbands. And I periodically wear these, but it's always good to have because they will like dress up your hairstyle and make them look a little bit more fancy and pretty. But to be honest, you guys, these are what I wear the most. These are like a lifesaver. And I honestly don't need no more, but I'm thinking about getting like a green one. Who knows? But that concludes my vanity tour. I do have jewelry stored in other places, but I pretty much just have my main jewelry over there. But I really love this vanity, and well, technically you guys, it's pretty much a DIY vanity, but I love the desk and how I paired it with these drawers. And I will try to link them down below in the description box so that if you want the same desk or the same drawers, that you can find them. But that concludes it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next one.